video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a house MLO with the open interiors into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is MLO which we are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to scroll down over here. Then click over here and download the MLO. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the house which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. And this is the location in the map over here. Now let's get inside the house. So upon entering the house, this is the first view which we will get over here. This is the outside view. And this is the bedroom of the house. This is the washroom of the house. This is a small storage room. And this is the back side of the house. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.